last week, and the Thanksgiving week has begun for the final days of November. November 25th, 2024. CN Hayes here. 1314 coming to you from Ladysmith. S772 Power Move has made the return, and you saw that the Ex-Citirail led on the return to be done for the day at Ladysmith Yard, and that was the 3980, I think that was. And you also saw the C6M rebuild of the first batch of the 3311 again, since I've last seen it the other time. But my goodness, didn't expect that. Because it did meet today's L5 1981 of the 25th at Weyerhaeuser. So how about that? Not bad at all. So that'll do it for the S772 51 of the 21st. And we'll do it for the Ex-Citirail of the 3980 and the C6M rebuild of the 3311. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. Have a great week. See you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Coming up, hopefully in the next video, we'll see the return and arrival of today's L5 1981 of the 25th. Thanks for watching. CN Hayes out.